been waiting for. Finally, we will hear from the respondent himself, the Chief Justice, who promises to answer all the allegations against him. His lawyers say this is the fight of his life. So we expect an exciting day and an exciting week for the Chief Justice testimony. What exactly is the significance of this day? This is the first time that an impeached official will face the impeachment court. If we recall, during the time of former President Joseph Estrada, he was not able to do that because his impeachment trial was aborted. So this is a historic moment for the Philippines and the Senate in particular. We will also be seeing the Chief Justice, the top magistrate of the Supreme Court, who will be having a different role this time as a witness in his trial. There will be a reversal of roles. Also, the Chief Justice, in a rare occasion for the past months, as we have seen, will be put under media scrutiny after being in the cloisters, so-called cloisters, that is the Supreme Court, a secretive body, a secretive institution. Finally, he will be put under the glare of the media and to be watched by the public to answer charges against him. And as stated by his counsel, Dennis Manalo, this will be a test of our institutions. It will test the Supreme Court, it will test the Senate and the House of Representatives, from which the impeachment complaint originated. So what exactly will we hear today from the Chief Justice? His lawyers say Corona will reveal and answer everything today, including the report of the Anti-Money Laundering Council on his alleged dollar accounts. If you recall, Ombudsman Morales testified that Corona has $82 accounts in 5 banks with fresh deposits amounting to at least $10 million rather. So we expect the Chief Justice to answer that allegation. The lawyers of Corona also say he will be attacking the constitutionality and the verification of the impeachment complaint. Since day one, the defense has said that the complaint is not verified and that the impeachment of the Chief Justice was railroaded. Senators also expect Corona to answer allegations that he exerted influence in the family dispute of his wife for Basa Guidote Enterprises Incorporated, so that his wife and his daughter will gain control. So we expect the Chief Justice also to answer this issue. Lead Defense Counsel Serafin Cuevas will be examining the Chief Justice, while private prosecutors will conduct the cross-examination, particularly Mario Bautista, Jose Justiniano, and Arthur Lim. Of course, the center, really the heart of this impeachment trial, is Article 2, which deals with Corona's alleged failure to disclose and accurately declare his assets in his SALN. The other pending articles that the Chief Justice faces are the flip-flopping on the case of Philippine Airlines and the Flight Attendants Association of the Philippines, and also his alleged partiality to his former boss, former President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo, by allegedly allowing her to leave and frustrate the ends of justice. This afternoon, Senate President Juan Ponce Enrile will make an announcement from the caucus of the senators yesterday. He will be saying that the Senate will no longer subpoena the bank branch managers to testify on Corona's bank accounts, because the senators agreed that it is not the job of the Senate to obtain evidence for either side, but a request for a subpoena should come from either the prosecution and the defense. And as we heard from the defense, the Chief Justice is their he is their final witness. Also, Enrile will be announcing the decision of the Senate on whether or not to cite Kaya Natin lead convener Harvey Ke in contempt of court for submitting the alleged bank records of Corona to Enrile, even if he did not know if these were accurate or if these were the true bank accounts of the Chief Justice. So we will see if Ke will receive any penalty or possibly an admonition from the Supreme Court. Also, there will be an announcement on how the closing arguments will be conducted. If we recall in last week's trial, there was an agreement to do that by 2 lawyers from each panel, and this will be done after Corona's testimony. So the big question really for this afternoon and the coming days is, will the testimony of the Chief Justice make or break his fate? Many call it the deal breaker, the game changer, the final stand, the last stand of the Chief Justice. So will it live up to all the promises that the defense has been saying, and will it really seal his fate for or against staying in his power as Chief Justice, the highest official of the Supreme Court? So we will find that out. Stay tuned. This will be an exciting afternoon, and watch our coverage. It will start at 2 p.m. Nawala siya agad eh.
Wala. Ano naman nga? Pag nakailaw ka ng blue, ay hindi, dial ka ulit. Pag ganyan.
Paano? Ayan, no?